Are your PC games and videos looking a little Euro flat? Even if you don't have a fancy Nvidia card, you can dramatically improve your monitor's visuals. Let's dive into some easy tweaks. First, click on the Windows Start button. Next, type Display Settings into the search bar and then select the Display Settings option from the search results. This will launch a new settings window. Look for the Advanced Display Settings link. Click on that. This opens more in-depth monitor controls. Select the monitor you want to adjust. If you have multiple ones, scroll down to Color Management and click on the Color Management option. In the Color Management window, you'll first want to navigate to the Devices tab. Select your monitor from the box below. This will normally mention the manufacturer of your monitor. After selecting your screen, click on the Profiles button. Here you will see the profile options for your monitor. Select the Add option. Now this is where you will find your monitor color profiles. A good starting point is to select sRGB IEC 61966-1 from the list. Once selected, click OK. Now back in the Color Management window, make sure the box Use My Settings for this device is ticked and then click Close. That's it. Your colors should instantly look better. Play with different profiles to find which suits you best and enjoy your more vibrant visuals. And that's how to revamp your PC's visuals without an Nvidia graphics card. Like this video for more helpful tech tips. See you in the next one.